Have you ever felt like you're running on a treadmill, working harder and harder but never getting anywhere? But year after year, it feels like you're falling further behind. This isn't just a feeling, it's a reality for 99% of the population. Today, we're not just going to talk about the trap. So what is this trap exactly? It starts with a lie we've all been told since we were kids. Il faut not. Save your money. Va dans. It sounds responsible, right? But what they don't tell you is that your savings account is a leaking bucket. Let's say you have $10,000 saved up. Savers are losers in this game. You need to start thinking like an investor. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. That brand new car you just bought with a monthly payment. It's a liability. The latest smartphone that you upgraded to. A liability. That big house with the huge mortgage and property taxes. For most people, it's their biggest liability. The 99% are conditioned to accumulate liabilities. They get a raise, so they buy a more expensive car. They work for money, then immediately give that money away in exchange for things that make them poorer over time. Now, let's talk about assets. An asset is the complete opposite. It's something that puts money into your pocket. An asset is a soldier in your financial army, working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. This could be a stock that pays you dividends, a rental property that generates monthly cash flow, or a business that operates without your constant presence. Once their assets produce enough passive income to cover their living expenses, they are financially free. They have escaped the rat race. This is the goal. The poor and middle class buy liabilities first, which keeps them trapped working for money forever. So, how do you actually start building this army of assets? Stage 1 is your entry point, the S&P 500. Don't let the name intimidate you. By consistently investing in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, you are putting your money to work in the most powerful economic engine in the world. This is the simplest, most effective way for beginners to start building real wealth and outpace inflation with minimal effort. It's the bedrock of your financial empire. What are dividend stocks? These are shares in mature, stable companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders. This isn't growth you have to wait years to see. It's real cash deposited directly into your account. This creates a snowball effect where your passive income stream grows exponentially over time. This is how you start to replace your active income from your job. Now we arrive at stage 3, the ultimate accelerator in the modern age, digital leverage. In 2024 and beyond, the internet is the single greatest wealth-building tool in human history. It has created more millionaires in the last 2 decades than any other industry. Digital leverage means creating something once, like a YouTube video, an online course, a blog, or a piece of software that can then serve thousands or even millions of people with no extra effort. You record a video once and it can be watched 1,000,000 times, generating revenue for you around the clock. You write an ebook once and it can be sold indefinitely. It allows you to build a business that is not limited by the number of hours in your day. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich for sure. It requires discipline, patience, and a shift in your mindset. The information is all here. The blueprint is laid out in front of you. But watching this video is not enough. Knowledge without action is useless. So many people will watch this, feel inspired for a moment, and then go right back to their old habits. The door to the 1% is wide open. It's not guarded by gatekeepers or reserved for a chosen few. The choice is yours. Will you stay on the treadmill, or will you step off and start building your own path? The journey begins today. It begins with your next financial decision. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to stop being a spectator and start building your own empire, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.